Have you ever wondered about the hidden mysteries that govern our universe? The profound connections between space, time, and gravity that shapes the very fabric of reality? If your curiosity has led to the realm of scientific wonders, then mark your calendars because an intellectual journey awaits you. I am thrilled to invite you to a captivating voyage through the intricate tapestry of Einstein's general theory of relativity. Taking all the complexities that you have, yes, I understand that this is very difficult, and yes, sometimes you get confused reading general relativity, which book to go for, what are the ideas, how you would go for. And indeed these are very complex because there is a huge amount of different kind of a mathematics that you have to undergo, manifolds, differential geometry, tensor calculus and whatnot. And this is definitely an uphill task, a task which might take years and years, going through difficult mathematics books, spending hours and hours on speaking to professors and perusing through your library books. And most importantly, you might have questions in mind which you are not finding a right guide to answer. Also, you really don't know where to go, what to do, which book to look for, and what are the mathematical prerequisites that you should have. And there's a huge amount of complex mathematics that actually comes into play. Now, taking all these difficulties, confusion, complexities, and being an uphill task, I would like to remove all of this and mark your date. It would be 27th of August 2023, which is a Sunday, starting 8 p.m. Indian Standard Time. I will be conducting an absolutely free webinar on Einstein's General Theory of Relativity. Yes, the webinar is absolutely free. You get ready to delve into the mind of a true genius, Albert Einstein, as we will together unravel the fascinating story of how he revolutionized our understanding of reality itself. You can join me as we will journey back in time to witness the moments that led to the birth of general relativity, a theory that changed everything, the way we perceive the universe forever. We will journey through the unraveling its profound meanings and its implication, and we will continue to shape and understand the entire journey which has led to the current understanding of our cosmos. So here are few of the feedback which I have received from the last webinar, and based on that I am so happy to announce the next date which I have just shown you, 27th of August, Sunday, starting 8 p.m. And these are few of the webinars. People from around the world, from Brazil, from UK, different parts of India, Pakistan, everybody they joined, and it was engaging, it was a good, and it was a very profound understanding, and the webinar was good. So the question that you might have in your mind is that what are the areas we are covering? So definitely we will cover the foundation and the fundamental concepts of relativity. We will also understand what is special relativity and the basic tenet, that is the relativistic Maxwell's equation. We will look into the postulates of special relativity. Why do we need at all a special relativity, and what led Einstein to think that there is a necessity of a covariant theory of gravity. We will look into the equivalence principle which led to the space-time curvature, and how do we measure the curvature, especially moving from the 3 vectors to 4 vector, 4 force, 4 acceleration, and so on. We are going to touch base and rule into the roles of tensors in general relativity, which is extremely important, and then we will cover up why gravity is called as a space-time curvature. We are definitely going to touch base Einstein's field equations in details. We are going to explain the components of Einstein's field equation, which are very complex otherwise, like Ricci tensor, Riemann tensor, etc. We are also going to cover geodesics and parallel transport, and we will get a brief idea about differential geometry, because without that the knowledge of general relativity would be incomplete. We will also cover manifold, what is a Riemannian manifold, what are black holes and the starlight bending, and many more. It would be long because this is just a video to let you know that I am conducting, and you're absolutely welcome. There will be many more things. Most importantly, I will have a FAQ section where you can ask your questions. There will be doubts in your mind which you can clear it up, and what are the learning methods if you're willing to take up. So a dedicated FAQ by the end of this webinar which will be able to answer all the questions. How will the webinar be conducted? Obviously, it will be conducted through Google Meet. So all you need to have either a mobile or a laptop or a system where you have the headphone and the webcam on. The most important question, how do you register? So you need to send me an email at this ID, contact.physicsforstudents@gmail.com, and write a little bit about background, and also do mention your WhatsApp number. What is most important is this one: whether you're a fresh graduate, you're an undergraduate, and even you're coming from a non-science background, you're absolutely welcome. So don't think that you have to have a science background, because I'm already getting a lot of registration from UAE, England, France, where I found people from geophysics or people who are just into philosophy or understanding any other subjects. They are willing to participate. So I would be happy if you are coming from a non-science background. You're absolutely welcome. So I will be immediately sending you the confirmation once I receive the email. On the morning of 27th of August, you will receive the Google Meet link via your email and WhatsApp. And I would request you to please log in 5 to 7 minutes prior to the scheduled time, because we have a lot of topics to cover. So here is the date, 27th of August, starting 8 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Secure your spot now and register yourself for this free webinar. The cosmos is calling and the secrets of relativity are waiting to be unveiled. Don't miss this chance to be a part of this intellectual adventure. You, along with others, we will enjoy this journey. And I cannot wait to see you on this day, 27th of August, 8 p.m. Indian Standard Time, for an evening that promises to be truly out of this world. And I wish you all the best and see you soon. Thank you for watching this video.